In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your Facebook profile. Now, locking your Facebook profile means like you have just made your profile private and no one else other than your friends can see your profile. Now, I'll teach you guys how to do that, but before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Facebook. Now, after you've opened up your Facebook, just go to the menu section, and after you're on your menu, just tap on the gear looking icon that's on the top. Now you're on your settings and privacy. Now go to search settings and just search for lock. Now you can see on the second option, you'll see profile locking. Tap on profile locking and you'll see the option that will lock your profile. Tap on it and that is basically it, guys. Now you have just locked your profile and no one other than your friends will be able to view your profile. So yeah, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.